Hi friend, welcome back. In this tutorial you're going to see how to make the S or the snake braid design. And although this is not the case of what happened here, but I usually use this apart from using it because it's nice as a design. If I am making a hairstyle and I mess up and the number of braids are no more even, let's say I part a hair, let's say I want to make like 12 all back for a client, and then I make half of the head, the six are perfect there, and then I make the second half and it's looking like it's supposed to be seven, like I'm messing up somewhere. I will just sneak in this braid. That was what I used to do. I would just sneak in the snake design and be like, okay, let me just add a little design here. Of course they'll be excited, but it just saves me, like if you have uneven number of braids, it saves me the headache, and I just do that. So you can also try that. If your braid is beginning to look as if it wants to develop a mind of itself, you can just use this to take control back, and it makes the hair more interesting. And if you're interested in seeing her whole hair, a tutorial of the whole hair, it will be up on the channel very soon. If you're watching this like a few days after it was uploaded, so you can check back. If you want to see how I braided the heart on her hair, you can also check back for that. If you want to see numbers, you can check back for that. And okay, enjoy.